Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today we're going to be talking about Cardano and what is happening at the moment with its price and what should we be on the lookout for. So I'm going to begin off with an FX Street article that has just come out about Cardano and some of the key points here. Now, I do want you to understand that from a long-term point of view, I do believe in Cardano, but there are some things that you should know in the next couple of weeks that could really impact, and you could find yourself getting yourself Cardano at a 30% discount if this does happen. So let's get right into it. Let's go over this because I think it's important information for you to have. As always, do your own research and only ever put in what you can afford to lose. So why do we believe at the moment that there could be a chance of a 30% decline for ADA? Now, Cardano price will meet a strong resistance at $1.20. So we know that that is a resistance point. Now, 50 12-hour simple moving averages have turned down for the first time since December 2020. Now, this is a signal of a sell. So the head and shoulder top pattern verifies a bearish outlook. So Cardano's price at the moment looks very much like a risk to go into a bearish trend. Now, when this happens, what we see here is that 30% drop would see Cardano sitting at about 75 cents. Now, if it goes even further than that, then the next stop would be 60 cents. Now, I want you to understand that if you are a Cardano holder, that's okay. Just hold, you'll be fine. If you're a day trader though, or if you're thinking about getting into Cardano, then this video could be really helpful. And what I want you to do is to do your own research when it comes to this, because these things, you know, like the charts do tell a great story, but it's not always 100% accurate. But I do believe that we've hit a wall, and I think we're going to go down before we go up. But I do believe that Cardano will go up, and I wanted to reiterate that because this isn't a bashing of Cardano. This is just looking at the charts, looking at the analytics, and giving you the tools to potentially get yourself a 30% bargain, which would be amazing price. You know, getting yourself a 75 cents Cardano or 60 cents Cardano is just absolutely amazing. And so if you can do that, and you will do that, so if you watch this video and you end up getting Cardano at 70 cents, I do want you to come back and tell me. That would be so cool to know that I was able to provide that for you. What I do want you to know about the Cardano community is that over 70% of people holding Cardano are staking Cardano. So they believe in Cardano, they believe in the project, and that long term is very, very important because people believe in what is happening and the future of Cardano. So that is very, very positive. So if we look at the charts, like I said, I think you got to go down sometimes before you go up. And primarily what I'm talking about is right here. So we're going to go down, swing past the resistance, and then shoot up for $2, $2.50. So where could we go? I believe at the moment where we're at right now, and you know the way that it's looking, I don't really quite believe we're going to get down to 40s and 45 zone, but I do believe we're going to probably get to about 70, 65 cents. So if you see it around there, I would grab a big bag of it. And the reason for that being is this kind of formation is forming. So we've had 1, 2, 3. We're going to go down to 4. And then shoot back up and then break it and go beyond $2. So I hope this helped because I really do want to bring this to you to show you what is possible. So if you've been sitting on the fence and thinking about Cardano, maybe this might be the chance for you to think, okay, let me just hold on and I might just wait a little bit and then decide to go in. Or you might decide, look, I'm in the long term and I'm going to be holding this coin until it hits $8, $10 and beyond in 2022. So I do want to know your feedback. I want to know what you think. Do you think it's possible for Cardano to go to 65, 45 cents? Hit the like and the comment. I want to know from your perspective because based on my charts reading, this is what I believe is going to happen next. But like I said, I do believe in the project, and I think if you can get yourself a 30% discount, that would be amazing. If you liked the video, learned something new today, hit the like and subscribe button. Look forward to see you on the next one.